All right, y'all see the OBS, and I found out that those wheels there are the 454 SS wheels. Man, I love them. But y'all see we got this thing all black. Got the AC. Look at the windshield. That's how you know the AC cold. Got the AC blowing. Look at that, y'all. We done put the new clear LED lights in there with the LED bulbs. We put the bottom valance down there, changed out that bumper. Another grill, painted the black inserts black, the Chevy emblem black. Man, we getting this thing right, y'all.
I know you see the ice on my neck, don't mean mug. They come from all the labor and worship unto the Lord, and all his blessings raining down. I'm catching them like a glove. Yes, sir.